2, 1, 3, 2 into A is equal to an identity matrix of order 2 by 2, that is 1, 0, 0, 1, then the matrix A is. Okay, there are 4 options given. Option A is 2, minus 1, minus 3 and 2. Option B, minus 2, 1, 3 and minus 2. Option C is given to be 2, minus 1, 3, 2, and option D is the matrix 2, 1, 3, 2. These are the 4 options given. Okay, so we are supposed to find out A. So here it is given that, say this matrix B, some B. Let us call this matrix as B. That is, what is given here is B into this matrix is equal to I. So B into the matrix A is an identity matrix. So A will be equal to B inverse. You know the property, right? A into A inverse will give you I. So similarly, here this B should be equal to A inverse, then only, sorry, this A should be equal to B inverse, then only we will get the matrix I in the RHS. So here we have to find out the inverse of this matrix in order to get the matrix B. Sorry, get the matrix A. Okay, so you know how to find out the inverse, right? It will be 1 by determinant B into adjoint of B. And B inverse exists if and only if it is a non-singular matrix. That is, what is the condition for B inverse to exist? The determinant of B must not be equal to 0. Yes. See here, what is the value of determinant of B? It is 4 minus 3. That is equal to 1, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, B inverse exists. Now we got the value of determinant B. Now we have to find out adjoint of B. Okay. So in the previous class, I had told you that how to find out the adjoint of B for a 2 by 2 matrix. Do anyone remember that one? Nenpidya? So we had done this something like that for 3 by 3 matrix, finding the adjoint of B for a 3 by 3 matrix. At the same time, I had told you how to find out the adjoint of B for a 2 by 2 matrix. Nenpidya garu? For a 2 by 2 matrix, what you have to do is, you have to interchange the principal diagonal elements. Say if the elements are A, B, C, D, say for some matrix A, then adjoint of A will be written in this form. You have to interchange the elements in the principal diagonal and then take the negative of the off diagonal elements. Like you must get minus B and minus C in the off diagonal. So looking at this, let us write down what is the adjoint of B here. Okay, so adjoint of B will become so both the principal diagonal elements are same. So even interchanging will not change the principal diagonal. So here in the off diagonal we have 1. So we should get a minus 1 in the adjoint, and there it is 3. So we should get a minus 3 here. So this will be the adjoint of B. Now What is B inverse? B inverse is 1 by determinant B into adjoint of B. Clearly, the determinant B is equal to 1. Therefore, B inverse is nothing but the adjoint of B. This is the B inverse. So we know that B inverse is nothing but the matrix A. So what is A now? What is A? The matrix 2 minus 1 minus
Option A.
2 itself is the matrix A. So this is option A. Option A is the right answer. So look at the last question, question number 80. If A is a square matrix of order 3, so A is given to be a matrix, square matrix of order 3, and determinant of A is given to be 5. So if A is a square matrix of order 3 and determinant of A is equal to 5, then determinant of A into adjoint of A is. You have to find out the determinant of A into adjoint of A. The options given are option A 125, option B 25, option C is 625, and option D is 5. Okay. So here we have to make use of a property that is the determinant of adjoint of A is nothing but determinant of A into, determinant of A to the power n minus 1. Okay, this is the property where n is the order of matrix. Okay, where n is the order of matrix. So determinant of adjoint of A will be determinant of A to the power n minus 1, where n is the order. Okay, so we'll make use of that property here. So what we are supposed to find out is determinant of A into adjoint of A. Since both being the matrices, we can write it as determinant of A into determinant of adjoint of A. And we just now saw that determinant of adjoint of A is nothing but determinant of A to the power n minus 1. So determinant A into determinant of A to the power of n minus 1 will give us determinant of A to the power n. So now we have got the value of determinant of A here as 5, and n, as I told you, it should be the order of the matrix. So what is the order of the matrix here? 3. So n is equal to 3 here. So here we will get a 3, that is 5 cube. 5 cube will be the determinant value of A into adjoint of A, and 5 cube is
125.
125. So this will be the right answer, which is here, your option A. So this is all about the matrices and determinants. We have covered almost all kinds of questions. Now we will move on to integrations. Okay. So I think you people have got the PDF, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So can anybody define what is integration?
The opposite of differentiation.
So it is the reverse process of differentiation. It is not the opposite. It is the reverse process of differentiation. What do we do in integration? What actually we do in integration?
Reducing the functions.
Reducing the functions. Any other answers?
It's somewhat just like the summation.
Yes. So if you have a function f of x or any curve, we are going to find the area under that curve. That is what we do in integration. It is also the reverse process of differentiation. Okay. So when we write d by dx of sin x is equal to cos x, that means integration of this cos x dx will be equal to
Sin x.
sin x plus c, because we can add a constant here, right? So if I do d by dx of sin x plus some constant also, the differentiation will be cos x itself. So integration, while doing the integration, so integration of cos x dx will be equal to sin x plus some constant c. Okay, that should always be added because we don't know whether sin x is associated with a constant or not. Okay. So we have got the integrals of various different kinds of function. All of those are in the PDF that I have provided. So let us start with the MCQs itself. So while doing the MCQs, I'll just explain the formula and what are the concepts that are used in that one. So we'll go with the questions from 2015. So look at the question number 40 there. So the question number 40 is given as integration of e to the power of x into 1 plus sin x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. We are supposed to find out the integral of this expression. The options given are e to the power of x into tan of x by 2 plus c. Option B, e to the power of x tan x plus c. Option C, e to the power of x into 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus cos x plus c. Option D is c minus e to the power of x cot x by 2. These are the options given, and this was a question in the year 2015. Okay. So it is given that we have to find out this integral of this expression. So what I'll do is, since in most of the options there is tan, I will try to convert this into the expression having tan. What can we do?
I'm separated, like integration of e to the power of x, integration of e to the power of x dx into e to the power.
How can we do that? So here in the denominator, we have 1 plus cos x, not the product of the terms. So we can make use of this formula, right? We have sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x, and cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, right? So let us make use of this formula here. Okay, so by using that formula, what we get here is it will be e to the power of x into 1 plus, in the place of 2x here we just have x. So this formula we can write it as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 divided by 1 plus cos x can be written as 2 cos square x by 2. Now we can separate the terms here like this. This will be equal to integration of e to the power of x divided by 2 cos square x by 2 plus integration of e to the power of x into 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 divided by 2 cos square x by 2. Now here in this term 2 and 2 was cancelled, cos x by 2, and here in the denominator 1 cos x by 2 will get cancelled, and what we will have here is 1 by 2 into integration of e to the power of x into secant square x by 2 plus integration of e to the power x into tan x by 2. Okay, so have you people understood till here? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
People have understood till here? Okay, see here, in both the terms we have e to the power of x as a common term. So can we write this as 1 by 2 into integration of e to the power of x into secant square x by 2 plus tan x by 2? We can write it like this, right? So everywhere add dx. We can write it like this, no? What I have done here is integration eradu kade ide, e to the power of x eradu terms alli common ide. Since it is addition of terms, I have taken e to the power of x common out of 2 terms, and I have added secant square x by 2 plus tan x by 2. Okay, now this is of the form integration of e to the power of x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಬಂದಿರುವಂತ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದೆಯಾ? e to the power of x ಇತ್ತು ನಮ್ಗಲ್ಲಿ. f of x ನ ನಾವೇನಾದ್ರು tan x by 2 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ tan x by 2 is 1 by 2 secant square x by 2 ಆಗತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಹೌದಾ?
Ma'am, I did not understand.
You did not understand. See here. So there is a 1 by 2 here. Okay. So here it will be 1 by 2, not here. Okay. So here it is 1 by 2 into secant square x by 2. Here it is e to the power of x into tan x by 2. Okay, so e to the power of x is common in both the terms. Okay, e to the power of x na now common tagondre, what is left out with us is secant square 1 by 2 into secant square x by 2 and tan x by 2. Howda? 1 by 2 secant square x by 2 and tan x by 2. So this will take this form. So in that expression, if I consider f of x is equal to tan x by 2, what is our f dash of x? f dash of x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? tan x by 2 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ What is d by dx of tan x?
Secant square x.
Secant square x. So tan x by 2 differentiation ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ secant square x by 2 into 1 by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಏನಿತ್ತು? ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ e to the power of x into 1 by 2 secant square x by 2 plus tan x by 2 ಇತ್ತು. ಇದು ತಾನೇ ನಮ್ಗಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ 1 by 2 secant square x plus tan x by 2 into e to the power of x dx. So if we have the expression of this form, the integration will always be of the form e to the power of x into f of x plus c. ಈ ತರ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಾಂಡು the integration will always be e to the power of x into f of x plus c. So ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ tan x by 2 ನ f of x ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ e to the power of x into tan x by 2 plus c. This is very important and it will be used in many of the problems. So make a note of it. Integration of e to the power of x into f of x plus f dash of x dx will be equal to e to the power of x into f of x plus c. Okay. Note this one. So illi namge f of x tan x by 2 irodrinda the value will be, the integration of this will be e to the power of x into tan x by 2 plus c. That will be your answer, which is your option A. So option A is the right answer here. Look at the next question. Integration of log of sin x plus cos x divided by cos x dx will be equal, sorry, integration from 0 to pi by 4. This will be equal to. So this was also a question in the year 2015. The options given are pi by 2 log 2, option B, pi by 4 log 2, option C is log 2, option D, pi by 8 log 2. Okay, let us consider this integral from 0 to pi by 4 log of sin x plus cos x by cos x. So we can write this as log of tan x plus 1 into dx. In martidivili sin x by cos x will be in the first term plus cos x by cos x agate. That one we will get it as tan x plus 1 into dx. Okay. So now this will be integration from 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan of pi by 4 minus x. Hege andre we have integration from 0 to a, f of x will be equal to integration from 0 to a, f of a minus x dx. So this is a property. Okay. So whenever you have integration from 0 to a f of x, you can write it as integration from 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು x na we are replacing it by pi by 4 minus x. Okay, let us now expand tan of pi by 4 minus x. So we know that tan of pi by 4 minus x is so what happens ಇಲ್ಲಿ tan of a minus b formula use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು expand ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ
tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x.
So what is the value of tan pi by 4? Tan pi by 4 is 2.
1.
Tan pi by 4 is 1. We know that. Okay, so wherever. So tan of a minus b adre idenagutte namge tan pi by 4 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x alva. So now tan pi by 4 na 1 in the replacement, we know the value of tan by pi by 4 is equal to 1. So this will become 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. So let us substitute that in the place of tan of pi by 4 minus x. So this will be equal to integration from 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x into dx. Okay. Now let us simplify this. Idana simplification ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So this will be integration from 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x plus 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x into dx. Okay. Now here tan x plus tan x and minus tan x cancels to give us integration from 0 to pi by 4 log of 2 by 1 plus tan x into dx. Okay. See here, this is of the form log m by log n. Alva log m by log n form alli ide. So that can be written as log of log m minus log n. So this will take integration from 0 to pi by 4 log 2 minus integration from 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x into dx. See here, what is integration of log of 1 plus tan x dx? It is nothing but our question. That is our question. So that can be written as I. So this is nothing but integration from 0 to pi by 4 log 2 dx minus I. So LHSL namge enittu? We had I is equal to this much. So let me take this I to LHS. We will get 2I will be equal to integration from 0 to pi by 4 log 2 into dx. Let us integrate this RHS. We will get log 2 into integration of dx is log 2 is a constant here. Constant na horag tegedre we will get integration from 0 to pi by 4 dx. What is the integration of dx? What is the integration of dx?
X.
X. So the integration of dx here will be, see, I'll write one more step. So log 2 another constant. Now we will be left out with integration from 0 to pi by 4 dx. And we know that integration of dx is x. So x will be the integration and the limits are from 0 to pi by 4. So on applying the limits, this will be log 2 into pi by 4 minus 0, or this will be pi by 4 log 2. So this is the value of 2i. So we got 2i is equal to pi by 4 log 2. So now what is I? What is the value of I? I will be equal to pi by 8 log 2. So this is the value of integration from 0 to pi by 4 log of sin x plus cos x divided by cos x dx. So this is our option D. Look at the question number 42. It is integration of sin square x divided by 1 plus cos square x. Sorry, 1 plus cos x into dx is equal to. So this was also a question in the year 2015, and the options are given to be x minus sin x plus c, cos x plus c, x plus sin x plus c, and option D is sin x plus c. Okay. So let I be equal to this integration from sin square x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. We know that sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1, right? So we can write sin square x as sin square x na ಏನಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು ನಾವು
1 minus cos
Minus
square x.
cos square.
cos square x ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. Okay, so this will become integration of 1 minus cos square x divided by 1 plus cos x into dx. ಅಲ್ವಾ? So ನಾನು ಈ 1 ನ 1 square ಅಂತಾನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದಾ? That doesn't make any difference, right? So this will take the form a square minus b square. So what is a square minus b square?
A plus
b into a minus
A
b.
minus B.
A minus b. So this will become integration of 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x into dx. So here 1 plus cos x and 1 plus cos x gets cancelled, and what we are left out with is integration of 1 minus cos x into dx. So this is quite simple and we can integrate directly. So integration of 1 dx is x, and integration of cos x is sin x. There is a minus in here, so we will have minus sin x plus the integration constant c.
Option A.
Option A. Option C na. See here, integration of cos x is plus sin x, but here we have minus cos x. So minus ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ರಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? ಬೇರೆ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ we will write it as integration dx minus integration of cos x dx ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮು x ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, there is a minus here, and integration of cos x is sin x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, plus the integration constant c ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So option A will be the
A.
okay. Question number 43. Integration from minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 dx by 1 plus cos 2x into dx is equal to, sorry, dx is there, no, which is equal to option A 1, option B 0, option C is 2, and option D is 4. So we have a standard formula for this kind of integral. Okay, we have that integration of 1 by 1 plus cos ax into dx will be equal to 1 by a tan of ax by 2. Okay, so this is a standard result. We'll make use of it here. Or in another way, you can write 1 plus cos 2x as 2 cos square x by 2. ಹೀಗೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. 1 plus cos 2x ನ 2 cos square x by 2 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಹೋದಾಗ secant square ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we will get tan x. Or else directly you can make use of this result and directly find out the answer. So result ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ easy ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. I'll show the other way around. I will be integration from minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 dx by 1 plus cos 2x ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So 1 plus cos 2x na we can write it as 2 cos square x by 2. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ cos 2x ಏನು ನಮಗೆ, what is cos 2x?
2 cos
2
square
cos square x
minus 1.
2 cos square x minus 1.
So this can be written as minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 dx by 2 cos square x. Okay, 2x is there, so this will be 2 cos square x. Now 1 by 2 is a constant. Let us take it outside. This will be minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 secant square x into dx. And we know the integration of secant square x. The integration of the secant square x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
Tan x.
Tan x. Tan x. And the limits are from minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. So this will be 1 by 2 into tan pi by 4 minus tan minus pi by 4. Yes.
Ma'am, here cos 2x equals to 2 cos square x by 2, no ma'am?
2 cos square x by 2 ಬರಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ.
Okay,
cos 2x ಗೆ 2 cos square x ಬರೋದು. ನಾವು cos x ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕೇಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ 2 cos square x by 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ 2x ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು RHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2x by 2 ಆಯ್ತು. 2x by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ x ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, cos 2x ನಮ್ಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋದು, ಸಾರಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋದು. cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ. ಇನ್ ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕೇಸಸ್ cos x ಗೆ ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಂತ ಕಡೆ ನಾವು x by 2 ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, so tan pi by 4 is 1, we know, minus tan of minus pi by 4 is
Minus 1.
minus 1. So this is 1 by 2 into 2, which is equal to 1. So now direct agi formula apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? a value ಏನಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ 2 ಇದೆ. So this will be 1 by 2 into tan of ax by 2 ಕಡೆ ನಮಗೆ x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So this will be from minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ 3 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Okay, shall we see the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
So question number 44. So integration of 1 by x square into x to the power of 4 plus 1 to the power 3 by 4 into dx is equal to option A, minus of 1 plus x to the power of 4 to the power 1 by 4 divided by x square plus c. Option B, minus of 1 plus x to the power of 4 to the power 3 by 4 divided by x plus c. Option C is minus of 1 plus x to the power of 4 to the power 1 by 4 divided by x plus c. Option D is minus of 1 plus x to the power of 4 to the power 1 by 4 divided by 2x plus c. So these are the options given. Let us simplify this. Let I be equal to integration of 1 by x square into x to the power of 4 plus 1 to the power 3 by 4 into dx. Okay. So this can be written as 1 by x square into e term in the, let us take x to the power of 4 common. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು x to the power of 4 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಕ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ 4 ಈ x to the power of 4 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು x to the power of 4 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So what is left out is 1 plus 1 by x to the power of 4 whole to the power of 3 by 4 into dx. Okay. So dx divided by x square into, let us split the terms, product of terms there we can split it. So we can write it as x to the power of 4 to the power 3 by 4 into 1 plus 1 by x to the power of 4 to the power 3 by 4. So this will be integration dx divided by x square into e 4 cancel adre will be left out with x cube into 1 plus 1 by x to the power of 4 to the power 3 by 4. Okay. So x square into x cube will become x to the power of 5 into this term 1 plus 1 by x to the power of 4 whole raised to 3 by 4. Okay. Now let us substitute. Substitution method use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನಾವು? ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ t ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು? So that 1 by x to the power of 5 should be the dt. See here, when we consider 1 plus 1 by x to the power of 4 as t, namge dt en barutte? What will be dt?
1 by x to the power of 5.
1 by x to the power of 5 barata. Difference
minus 4 by x to the power of 5.
Minus 4 divided by x to the power of 5. This will be the dt. Okay. So if we substitute 1 plus 1 by x to the power of 4 as t here, this will take the form integration dt. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ t substitute ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ, integration will be in terms of t divided by, ನಮ್ಗೆ t to the power of 3 by 4 ಇದೆ, but 1 by x to the power of 5 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗಿಲ್ಲಿ dt by minus 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಗಿಲ್ಲಿ 1 by x to the power of 5 ಗೆ dt by minus 4 ಆಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು -4 ಇದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? 1 by x to the power of 5 ನ ನಾವು dt by -4 ಇಂದ ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಸೊ 1 by -1 by 4 ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. dt by t to the power of 3 by 4 is the integrand now. So this is minus 1 by 4 integration of t to the power of minus 3 by 4 into dt. So we know how to integrate this. So x to the power of n do integration ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Integration of x to the power of n dx will be x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. ಹೌದಾ? So ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ t to the power of minus 3 by 4 ಅದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದೆ. So integration ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? t to the power of minus 3 by 4 plus 1 divided by minus 3 by 4 plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಇದನ್ನ simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we will get, simplify ಮಾಡಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ?
T to the power 1 by 4 by 1 by 4.
Yes. So this will be t to the power of 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 4 plus c. So this will be minus t to the power of 1 by 4 plus c. Okay, 4 cancel agata namge. What is left out is minus of t to the power of 1 by 4 plus c ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. So what is t? t ಅಂತ ಏನಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ? Let us substitute that one. t was 1 plus 1 by x to the power of 4. So this is minus of 1 plus 1 by x to the power of 4 plus c, or this is minus of x to the power of 4 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 4 whole raised to 1 by 4 plus c. So ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಮಗೆ? ನಮಗೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ, x square ಇದೆ. Let us solve the denominator. So this can be written as minus x to the power of 4 plus 1 to the power 1 by 4 divided by x plus c. So this is the value. So which will be the option?
Option C, third one.
Answer will be option C. Okay. See the next question. The value of integration e to the power of x into 1 plus x dx divided by cos square e to the power of x into x is equal to. We have to find out the value of this. The options are minus cot of e to the power of x into x plus c. Option B, tan of e to the power of x into x plus c. Option C, tan of e to the power of x plus c. Option D is cot of e to the power of x plus c. So this was a question in the year 2016. Okay, we can solve this by the method of substitution. So we'll put e to the power of x into x is equal to t. So what will be the dt? dt ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? This is the product of terms So first function into d by dx of the second function, that is d by dx of x will be 1 plus second function into d by dx of first function, that is d by dx of e to the power of x will be e to the power of x itself. So this will be our dt, that is x into e to the power of x plus e to the power of x, or e to the power of x into x plus 1 dt. So this is in our numerator, right? So entire numerator namge dt agate. Okay. So namge I enagate integration of dt by cos square t, or this is secant square t into dt. So what is integration of secant square t? It will be tan t plus c. But what is t? E to the power of x into x. So in the place of t, we will substitute e to the power of x into x plus c. So this is the value of I. So this is our option B. Okay. Look at the next question, question 46. Integration of e to the power of x into x square into tan inverse x plus tan inverse x plus 1 divided by x square plus 1 into dx is equal to. We have to find out the value of this. Options are e to the power of x into tan inverse x plus c. Option B, tan inverse of e to the power of x plus c. Option C, tan inverse of x to the power of e plus c. Option D, e to the power tan inverse x plus c. Okay. So our I is this. This is our I. Let us simplify the given integrand. Integrand na simplify ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದೆರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ tan inverse x ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು. Let us take tan inverse x as a common term there. So we will get x square plus 1 into tan inverse x plus 1 divided by x square plus 1 into dx. So terms na navu, so here terms na navu separate madkondre, this will be e to the power of x into x square plus 1 into tan inverse x divided by x square plus 1 plus 1 by x square plus 1 irutte into dx. So here x square plus 1 cancel adre what we will have, tan inverse x matra irutte. So this will be integration e to the power of x into tan inverse x plus 1 by x square plus 1 into dx. So simplify ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
So once again, this is of the form integration e to the power of x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx. ಹೌದಾ? ಇದು f of x e to the power of x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. f of x ಅಂತ ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ?
tan inverse x.
tan inverse x ನ ನಾವು f of x ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ f dash of x will be 1 by x square plus 1. Okay, so f of x here is tan inverse x and f dash of x here will be 1 by 1 plus x square. So ನಾನು ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, if the integral will be of this form, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅದರ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
e to the power x into f of x plus c.
e to the power of x into f of x plus c ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಗೆ? e to the power of x
e to the power of x tan inverse x
plus c. So this will be the value of I. So this is our option A. So look at the next question, question number 47. So you have to find out the value of integration from pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 sin x to the power 103 into cos x to the power 101 into dx is. So we have to find out the value of this, and the options given are pi by 4 to the power 103, option B, pi by 4 to the power 101, option C is 2, and option D is 0. Can anybody guess what should be the answer? What will be the answer? ಯಾರು ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಏನಾಗ್ಬೋದು? So what kind of a function sin x is? Is sin an even function or an odd function? Sin x ಏನು even function or odd function?
Odd function.
Odd function. What about cos x? Cos x ಏನು even or odd?
Even.
Even function. So here we have the product of an odd function and an even function. So what is odd function into even function? Will it be an odd or even?
Odd.
So you know that the product of odd function and even function is there, which will be an odd function. So here we have I is of the form integration from minus a to a, odd function. So what will be the value of the integral then? It will be equal to 0. So whenever the integration is from minus a to a of an odd function, the value of the integral will be equal to 0. So here, since sin x is an odd function and cos x is an even function, that too the odd powers. See, odd powers is alva. So therefore, the product of that will be an odd function. Therefore, the value of the integral will be equal to 0 here. Therefore, option D will be the right answer. Okay, look at the question number 48. Integration of e to the power 6 log x minus e to the power 5 log x divided by e to the power 4 log x minus e to the power 3 log x dx is equal to option A 0, option B it is x cubed by 3, option C is 3 by x cubed, and option D 1 by x. Okay, so we have to find out the value of this one. Let this be equal to I. Okay, so ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. See here, e to the power of 6 log x ನಾವು by making use of the property of logarithms, this can be written as e to the power of log x to the power of 6. Okay, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ m log n form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. So this can be written as log of n to the power of m. So now ಇದನ್ನ e to the power of log x to the power of 6 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. What about e to the power of log x? What is the value of e to the power of log x?
X.
X.
This is x. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ e to the power of log x to the power of 6 the value x to the power of 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. In the same way ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬಹುದು? This will be x to the power of 6 minus x to the power of 5 divided by x to the power of 4 minus x cube ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. Okay, now in the numerator I'll take x to the power of 5 common. So what is left out will be x minus 1 divided by, in the denominator when we take x cube as common term, we will have x minus 1 to dx. Here x minus 1 and x minus 1 cancels and we will be left with x square into dx. So the integration of x square is x cubed by 3 plus integration constant c. So the answer will be option B. Okay, the question number 49. So the question number 49 is integration from 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power 1000 x divided by sine to the power 1000 x plus cos to the power 1000 x into dx is equal to, options are 1000, 1, pi by 2, and option D is pi by 4. Okay, so this is our I. We have to find out the value of this. So whenever a function is given of this form, integration from 0 to a f of x into dx, this will be equal to integration from 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. So we will make use of this property here. So this I will be equal to integration from 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power 1000 pi by 2 minus x, that is replacing x by pi by 2 minus x here, divided by sine to the power 1000 pi by 2 minus x plus cos to the power 1000 pi by 2 minus x.
Ma'am, can't we take the denominator as 1?
It is not just sin square x plus cos square x. ನಮಗೆ sin square x plus cos square x ಮಾತ್ರ 1. ನಮಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ಪವರ್ ಇದ್ರೂನು ಅದನ್ನ 1 ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin to the power of 1000x plus cos to the power of 1000x 1 ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ 1 ಆಗದೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ sin x plus cos x 1 ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. But it is not equal to 1. So only when there is sin square x plus cos square x, its value will be equal to 1. Otherwise, no.
Ma'am, but even powers also it's not possible. Even if it is even powers also not possible.
No, even if it is even powers also not possible. Say suppose you have sin to the power of 4x plus cos to the power of 4x. ನೀವು ಈ ತರ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಈವನ್ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರು ಆಗಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ. So I can write it as sin square x whole square plus cos square x whole square. So this is of the form a square plus b square, not a plus b whole square. A square plus b square ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಬಟ್ ನಂಗಿಲ್ಲಿ sin square x plus cos square x ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಗೆ sin square x whole square plus cos square x whole square ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ sin square x plus cos square x whole square ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಕ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ, ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಬರ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು a square plus b square ಇದೆ. ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. ಸೊ ನನ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin square x plus cos square x ಬರ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ್ರ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋದಾದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 2ab ಬೇರೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋದಿಕ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಎನಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ it is possible, and those are actually reduced from one theorem. So ಯಾವ theorem ಅದು ಹೇಳಿ? ಏನು ಮೂರು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1, 1 plus tan square x is equal to secant square x. ಅದೇನು ಮೂರು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಇಂದ ಡೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಯು ಟು ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ನಂಗೆ ನಾಳೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಅದು.
ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 4.
ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 4 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದು? sin of pi by 2 minus x ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos to the power 1000 pi by 2 minus x divided by, so once again this is cos to the power 1000 pi by 2 minus x plus, so cos of pi by 2 minus x, not pi by 2 minus x. No, this will be,
Ma'am, it's cos to the power 1000x, no ma'am?
I'm writing. So this will be plus sin to the power of 1000 x. Okay, let this be. So this is also equal to I. Let this equation be 1 and this equation be 2. Let us add now 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 will give us 2i equals integration from 0 to pi by 2. So when adding the numerators we get cos to the power 1000x plus sin to the power 1000x divided by cos to the power 1000x plus sin to the power 1000x into dx. So which is nothing but integration from 0 to pi by 2 dx. That is 2i will be equal to x from 0 to pi by 2, or 2i is pi by 2 That implies I will be equal to pi by 4. So option D will be the answer. Okay. So the next question number 50 there. Integration from 2 to 8 root of 10 minus x divided by root x plus root of 10 minus x into dx is equal to option A 10, option B 0, option C 8, and option D is 3. So here integration from A to B f of x dx will be equal to integration from A to B f of A plus B minus x into dx. So we'll make use of this property here. ಯಾವ ತರ previous problem na solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ವು same kind, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ನ ನಾವು a plus b minus x, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ a ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ, b 8 ಇದೆ, ನಾವು x ನ a plus b minus x ನಿಂದ replace ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ entire method ಏನಿತ್ತು previous problem ತರಾನೇ. So this is I, and let this equation be equation 1. So now let us replace x by a plus b minus x using this property. Okay, so I ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ x ನ a plus b minus x ಇಂದ replace ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ this will be equal to integration from 2 to 8 root of 10 minus ಈ x ನ ನಾವು a plus b minus x ಇಂದ replace ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ 2 plus 8 minus x ಇಂದ replace ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, that is 10 minus x ಇಂದ replace ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So in the place of x we have to substitute 10 minus x, which will be equal to 10 plus minus 10 plus x here, divided by root of 10 minus x plus root of 10 minus 10 plus x into dx, which will be integration 2 to 8 root x divided by root of 10 minus x plus root x. Let this be equation number 2. This is also I. Now let's add 1 and 2. So 2I will be equal to integration root x plus root of 10 minus x divided by root x plus root of 10 minus x into dx. So this implies 2I is nothing but integration from 2 to 8 dx, or 2I is x from 2 to 8, which is equal to 6. That is, we have 2I is equal to 6. ನಮಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದು ಯಾತ್ರದ್ದು 2I. We have 2I is equal to 6, or I will be equal to 3. So we have got I is equal to 3. So which is our option D. Okay. Next question. Integration from minus 5 to 5 mod of x plus 2 into dx is equal to. Options are 28, option B 29, option C 27, and option D 30. So this is our I. Look at this. So when X is from -5 to -2, what about the value of X plus 2? When X lies between -5 to -2, what will be X plus 2? X plus 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ? Say -5 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ this will be equal to -3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So -2 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ we'll be having 0. So what about from -2 to +5? The value of X plus 2 will be positive. So let us split this integral at 2. Okay, integral na at -2, let us split. So I will be integration from -5 to -2 mod X plus 2 into dx plus -2 to +5 mod X plus 2 into dx. So this will be negative. Illi namge -5 to -2, the value of X plus 2 will be negative. Therefore, this will be minus X plus 2 into dx plus integration from -2 to 5 X plus 2 dx. So the integration of this will be minus of x square by 2 plus 2x from -5 to -2 plus x square by 2 plus 2x from -2 to +5. Now we just have to apply the limits and find out the value of I. So on applying the limits, this will be minus of 4 minus 25 divided by 2 minus 2 into -2 plus 5. So first term ge limit apply ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ second term ge limits apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So here it will be 25 minus 4 divided by 2 plus 2 into 5 plus 2. So simplification of this will give us ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we will have 21 by 2. Here also we will have 21 by 2. This will be minus 6 plus 14. That is 21 plus 8, which will be equal to 29. So 29 will be the value of I, which is our option B. Question number 52. Integration cos 2x minus cos 2 theta divided by cos x minus cos theta dx is equal to option A, 2 into sin x plus x cos theta plus c. Option B, 2 into sin x minus x cos theta plus c. 2 into sin x plus 2x cos theta plus c. And option D is 2 into sin x minus 2x cos theta plus c. So this is our I. So let us replace cos 2x by 2 cos square x minus 1. So I will become 2 cos square x minus 1 minus of 2 cos square theta minus 1. That will be 2 cos square theta plus 1 divided by cos x minus cos theta into dx. So minus 1 and plus 1 will get cancelled. We will have 2 into cos square x minus cos square theta divided by cos x minus cos theta into dx. Look at the numerator. 2 is a constant. Cos square x minus cos square theta is of the form a square minus b square. So let us write it as cos x plus cos theta into cos x minus cos theta divided by cos x minus cos theta into dx. This term in the numerator and the denominator cancels to give us 2 into integration cos x plus cos theta into dx. Okay. So here, since the integration is with respect to x, cos theta will be considered a constant. Cos theta nalli constant anta consider madkobodu. So the integration will become 2 into sin x plus x cos theta plus c agat. So option A will be the right answer.